The manufacturing of our magnetic grate separator begins with meticulous weld treatment. We polish the surface to remove slag and spatter. Flatness is controlled within 0.1 millimeters to ensure structural dimensions. Controlling flatness within 0.1 millimeters to ensure exact fitting tolerances. Secondary precision grinding is then applied to eliminate stress marks. This critical step guarantees long-term structural integrity and prevents any deformation during extended use, with precise matching of welding speed and wire feed. Next, our fully digital welding system utilizes real-time closed-loop control. By precisely matching welding speed with wire feed, we achieve consistent, spatter-free seams in a single pass. Automated arc filling prevents crater cracks, ensuring a flawless finish. At MagSpring, every Grate magnetic separator is built to this rigorous process standard.